Use Kiln-Dried Cedar blocks and cedar-lined hangers as a primary non-toxic deterrent against clothes, moths, and carpet beetles. Cedar works because the natural aromatic oils in the wood repel common textile pests without harsh chemicals. So start by selecting Kiln-Dried aromatic cedar, which has a stronger, longer-lasting scent than green or unfinished wood. Place cedar blocks, balls, or hangers directly among clothing so the scent contacts fabrics. For drawers and chests, line the base with 1/4 inch thick cedar panels or stacked blocks spaced to allow airflow, which helps volatiles disperse. Refresh scent at regular intervals by lightly sanding the surface with a fine grit sanding pad or by applying a few drops of cosmetic-grade cedar oil to a cotton pad tucked inside the cedar item, not directly on garments. Combine cedar with airtight storage for seasonal items by sealing in high-quality cloth or plastic vacuum bags to deny pests access, while the cedar scent continues to deter any insects that remain nearby. Use pheromone traps in closets and storage rooms away from clothing to monitor and reduce adult moth populations without interfering with cedar aroma. For long-term maintenance, inspect fabrics every 3 to 4 weeks. Launder or freeze suspect items for 48 hours if larvae are present, and rotate or resand cedar pieces annually to restore repellent potency. Homeowners commonly rely solely on cedar and then assume pests are eliminated, which can fail because adult moths breed in adjacent spaces. Solve this by combining cedar with pheromone monitoring and treating infested textiles directly. Some buy green or untreated cedar, which smells weak and can harbor sap or resin that stains clothing. Avoid that by choosing Kiln-Dried aromatic cedar and buffering contact with thin fabric covers or by placing cedar in separate compartments. A third issue is overuse of cedar oil sprays applied straight to garments, which can stain or leave an oily residue. Instead, apply oil sparingly to a sacrificial cotton pad or the cedar surface itself and allow it to air dry before closing storage. On bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors and the community resources to tackle projects like closet restoration or custom cedar lining, and we help contractors find work from people looking for these services. We host a discussion community where members share real-world tips, vendor names, and step-by-step experiences so our users can learn from each other.